Yes, it's day 18. All right. Welcome. Expansion is the natural state of the universe. It is always in a constant state of expansion. And I believe that this is our natural state as well. If we're not growing, we're stagnating. And if you're stagnating, you're on a level line. And if you're on a level line and you're not growing and everything else is, you're actually shrinking. Good point to ponder. So it's important to know that expansion is the natural state of things. All living things are growing. Look at plants. There's a group of elite coaches that have a company called Strategic Intervention. Tony Robbins is part of it. Now, they have a list of emotional needs, which is 6, and number 5 is growth. So it's part of our inherent structure. Growth is something we need as an emotional need. If we're not doing it, then that stagnation is very frustrating for us. And often if we're in a state of stagnation, we're not really even conscious of it, then life comes along and normally kicks you in the ass. You'll normally have some kind of crisis. And those are signs as well. It's often normally the stuff that's fairly important to you that gets taken away. To say, wakey, wakey, time to shake up. Time for disruption, you need to be the disruption. Now, I follow a lot of coaches, and pretty much one of the common denominators to all of them is they all advocate that if you want positive change in your life, if you want financial freedom, if you want more fulfillment, then basically you have to lift your values. You have to basically expand yourself. You have to look at growth. So today's question is, what does your growth look like? What is your expansion going to be? Is it reading specific books? Is it taking various courses? Where would you find such a thing? And how is it going to impact you? And in what ways can it expand you, your life, and those around you? So today, it is all about finding that exciting thing about growth that you could really get your teeth into, something that could really light you up and make you excited and get you out to improve yourself, and not just yourself, but those around you. Remember, we covered this right in the very beginning on one of the early days when I say find a course, find something that excites you. We also covered this in conflict. Often when you're experiencing conflict, conflict is the greatest opportunity for you to expand yourself, for you to grow. So check out where you are right now. Are you in a place of stagnation, or are you in a place of expansion? That's why we refer to these 21 days as innovation. And feel free to let me know what yours is in the comments. Peace out, much love. See you tomorrow.
The Big Cigar.